Take a breath. Now forget everything you think you know about breathing. Because 4 billion years ago, there was no air, no oxygen, not even lungs, and not even the concept of breath. Yet life had already begun. What powered this tiny spark of life? How did it survive, grow, and evolve? Without breathing, as we know it, the answer is strange and more beautiful than you think. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Yashirani, second year physiology resident at Ambisha Medical College, Jamnagar. These first unicellular organisms lived in an oxygen-free world, which we call it as anaerobic environment. So they used an ancient trick, anaerobic respiration or fermentation. They didn't inhale, they didn't exhale. They harvested energy directly from the molecules around them, like glucose, using biochemistry as their breath. Visualize this. Glucose enters the cell and some enzymatic pathways breaks glucose down into pyruvate. Now instead of using oxygen to create more energy from this pyruvate gets converted into lactic acid and ethanol, or ethanol depending upon the species. This is called substrate level phosphorylation, the most ancient method of making energy, that is ATP, our cellular energy point. You still use this system right now. When your muscles run out of oxygen, say during the spring, your body falls into this prehistoric engine. You feel it as the burn. That's lactic acid, your inner microbe saying hello. Then came a species that changed everything, cyanobacteria. They started releasing oxygen, a gas which was toxic to most life forms at that time. To early anaerobes, oxygen was a killer. A highly reactive molecule that forms free radicals, damaging DNA, protein, membranes. Imagine Earth's first pollution disaster caused by life itself. Even today, oxidative stress from free radicals contributes to diseases like cancer and aging. Ironically, the gas that lets us live is also slowly killing us. But some unicellular survivors adapted. One of the most profound biological events happened: endosymbiosis. A larger cell swallowed a smaller one, not for food, but for power. That smaller cell became mitochondria, and it could do something incredible. Use oxygen to extract 15 times more energy from glucose through a new method called aerobic respiration. This changed everything. Life could grow now more faster, larger, and even better. This ancient respiration still runs every cell in your body. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every thought is powered by a 2 billion years old system. If this system malfunctions, disease erupts. Mitochondrial disorders, neurodegeneration, even cancer can trace its root back to energy gone wrong. You just don't breathe through your lungs, your cells breathe. With invisible engines inherited from your microbial ancestors. Yes, you're not just humans, you're part bacteria, part chemistry, and part storybook of evolution. Next time you run out of a breath, know this: the solution was written 4 billion years ago inside a cell. And in next episode, we'll explore how multicellular organisms had to reinvent breathing again. Because when organisms teamed up, respiration had to evolve into something bigger. Like, share and comment below what shocked you the most.